what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Jay Castro. Anyway, welcome. So today I decided to create Tikka from the movie Bright. So if you have Netflix, you should watch it. It's a really good movie. So Tikka is an elf and she's magical. Like, I don't want to give away too much of the movie. So basically there's a part of the movie where she uses too much of her magic and she's dying.
What's the shit? What's the black stuff? Hey, look. All right.
So that is the look that I'm going to create. Yeah, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to see how I created the look, then please continue watching.